Hey, look, we got an ambulance in the campus. Well, 2 ambulances. When was there like a second one? When was there 2 ambulances? Like, here's like another ambulance right here. But not only that, there's a fire truck full of firemen. Here, do what? What? Earlier today? Well,
What'd you do, Kevin? Why are they here?
I don't know. I didn't do anything.
What'd you do?
Look, there's a fire truck.
Yeah, what'd you do? Why are they here, Kevin?
I don't know.
Can you explain that to me?
I don't know. What did I do?
Yeah, what'd you do?
I don't know. Well, do what?
Can you explain that to me? Why are they here?
Why are they here? I don't know.
Well, what'd you do? Why are they here, Kevin?
What do you think I did?
Start a fight.
Huh? Anyway.
If you're drunk and high, anything's a good idea.
Hmm?
If you're drunk and high, anything's a good idea.
Good idea. Gosh, it's still chilly. Should have brought a pair of gloves. Yeah, my hands are my hands are extremely cold. Like no joke. Hmm?
Eddie, come here.
But man, like, okay, so I just like I checked the weather like while I was walking to the parking lot, and then now it's like 42 degrees. Like this morning was like below 35, like earlier today. It was like 33, but now it's like 42 degrees. And of course the news says that the air quality is still unhealthy. Huh?
Yo.
Yeah, whoa, sorry. Yeah, what a man.